Hello everybody, this is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. This is my subject today, and I'm a photographer. I shot this image for a couple years ago, and I tried watercolor image last time, but this time I want to try on the dry media type drawing. That's what I want to try out this time. So, well, I don't know what it's gonna be there, but I just want to try it. So let's get started. I have this image, and also I got this line drawing type image by Adobe Photoshop. Use the filter called Find Edges, and I want to copy this, duplicate layer. Not this one. Let me change the blend mode to normal to blend, darken, then opacity a little bit down, 70% or so. Then we see the base image here. Now I'm going to duplicate this base image, then I'm going to smudge on this image. Now I'm going to turn this another base image off. I'm going to use it later. Now I'll rename on this smudge. Okay, let's try smudge tool. We're going to use now drawing to Albiron. Okay, let's try this with smudge. Now, I'm gonna go with a little bit smaller, then smudge outlines first. Smudge over the image overall. Okay, now the direction where you smudge it, it's gonna be just the image has this direction goes to the same direction of the lines, outlines. That's what I usually do. Like when you see this straight lines going this direction, the shadow, the nose, this shadow lines go straight to this way, like a lips. Especially like a lips, you don't want to break your shape. It doesn't look good, so let's make it smaller to look. Now this jaw lines go this way. I don't break the lines like so. Just go same direction. That's what I usually do. This kind of accessories, I don't think it doesn't matter because it's too small. But here, now again, I'm gonna go direction same way. That's what I usually do. Okay, this is here, here too, same direction. And go with like this, and the shoulder lines, same thing, same direction goes to. It's kind of dark, but you see some. Now, oops, this is not so good, huh? Make it a little bigger, smudge it. Use a little big brush size, tool size, so it's gonna a little bit more smoothed out skin, just like a retouch on the model's skins and stuff. Okay, now outside, it's gonna go bigger than just I do rough You can hear the sound. I'm kind of tapping to draw and smudge outside. Smudge same colors on outside too. You smudge this area too because you want to get the texture of the brush type. Then going a little bit smaller to get into the subject. Just like oil paint kind of texture. Yeah, I think so. Here does see that oil paintery texture here. You want some more highlight down here, so smudge from highlight side to middle tone. Okay, now looks more kind of oil paint. This is an interesting image. Just like really oil paint texture, looks like not bad. I'm gonna add some highlight on her eyes on last image. Well, now what I'm gonna do is, okay, we have three images. One is the line drawing, and now I smudged on this layer. I'm gonna move base, rename base photograph. Okay. Then this smudge, and this line drawing, change name. Now I'm gonna move this layer in between this line image and smudge image, then make mask, then invert. It shows photograph base image, so I'm gonna invert this mask, so we see underneath this smudge image. Now what I'm going to do is just touch. Want to see this little bit more sharp image from this base image, so I'm gonna reveal with the brush, which is, well, let's try, use the same Oberon. This is same smudge tool I used last time. So I'm gonna use this brush, same one, and reveal this mask to make it a little bit smaller. Then reveal, which is use the white ink to reveal this mask. Like, I'm watching the base image now. Like, this is smudged image, but I reveal it from top. So we have this small mask to take this smudged image. We just hide it. Then also I'm gonna make mask on this line image, line drawing type, make mask. Then now I'm not gonna invert this mask. I just use the same brush and change the ink white to black to hide these black lines, like this image on her lips, and these lines on nose, and all these lines black dot. That's I'm hiding on this. Oh yeah, this is a mask, right? So it's hiding like so. You see, it's here, hiding the line image on this. You see what I'm doing now, right? Okay, that's the way I'm gonna take this black dot from her face, and also the hair, the highlight area. I got the result from the filter I used on Adobe Photoshop. Just hide these black lines, and also this is from smudge image, so I'm gonna reveal on base image, see the smudge image instead. Okay, now you see we got some shape clear image from photo base. this space. Then same time since I'm using eyes from the photo base, so I'm gonna paint it on this base image with same brush, but I'm gonna make a highlight of the catch light on her eyes. So I'm gonna paint it on this base image. The color is, of course, white, very small catch light. And also I have this line image from this drawing. If I want to take this one out, just mask it with the black. This, you can just mask 100%. So now it's masking these lines out. I don't mind to see, but let's see, just take it out and see this. You see what I just did, these black lines hiding? Okay, now it looks like some, but a little bit too strong, huh, this eye. So I'm gonna paint it on base, not take it out. I'm just cover with like a brown, dark brown, this kind of color, to maybe just tone down touch this white color. And I also see the black dot from this long image, so I'm gonna hide that too with the black. This black dot in, you see what I'm talking about? This one has a black dot too, so I just take it out. Now we only see the highlight to touch up, some clean up. Base image to smudge it overall. Use different size of the smudge tool to make some kind of oil paint look. Well, that's all about it for today, and I may change or add different color, whatever, from this image for next time. Well, thank you for watching my video, and you guys have a nice day. I really appreciate to support me to watching video. Thank you, and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao.